My name's Aurora Martin, and I've worked for RCG almost 9 years as a business development director here in the Southwest region. A couple of weeks ago, I was asked the question, why did you choose to go work for RCG? And the reasons are still the same for me, even after 9 years, and they are reputation was one of them. Secondly, the people, obviously, that I'm going to be working with for a large majority of my day. And lastly, it's the approach to selling what we do out in the marketplace. I had I guess maybe an unfair advantage, but I knew several people, even before coming to RCG. I had worked with an individual that was an ex-RCG alumni, and I really looked up to that person. As a matter of fact, I'm still a LinkedIn connection with him. And also for my clients, I heard good things about RCG. So when I was given the opportunity to interview with RCG, I didn't have to think twice about it. The validation came during my due diligence around the interview process, and I do have to say RCG was very patient with me. I didn't join. I wanted to make sure that I met with as many people as I could, and I met individuals from administration, operations, delivery, my peers in sales, upper management. I just wanted to get a good feel for what my next home would be, and whether I could be a contributor and I could be successful here. So they were very, very patient with me, and that was another sign for me that they didn't rush me. They knew how big of a decision this was going to be, and it worked out for all of us. So one of the things, though, that I really wanted to get out of those interviews was their approach to what I do as a salesperson. Was the infrastructure. It's just not Aurora Martin selling RCG. It is truly an infrastructure, and I wanted to get to know all those people that make up these solutions that we market out there in the marketplace. The differentiators for RCG, I would say, would be we listen. We are a company that truly listens. We don't come in with canned solutions or preconceived notions. We like getting to know our clients, and we ask what is the business compelling reason of why we are here to help you. And a lot of times clients don't know. So we are also able to go down that journey with them and consult with them around that. So I think those are some of the things. We take a very business-minded approach to everything that we do. The technology piece of it seems to be the easiest part of that, right? And it's because we are really solving a business need. We also really care about what we deliver. So the quality of work, the individuals that we have on our teams represent who RCG is. And at the end of the day, that's all that is our reputation, and that's really what I have to offer. Why do I like what I do? Really, quite honestly, the interactions with people. That's really it for me. A lot of that's both internal to RCG as well as external. Some of my longest lasting relationships have been old clients of mine. And it's great for me to say, I've known this person for over 20 years. And they've become good friends of mine. And then there are others, that, we have very healthy business relationships. But I think all in all, it's relating to individuals and trying to make their lives a bit easier. As far as tips for individuals from an interview perspective, I'd say it worked for me. I'd say really get to know who RCG is, or try to get to know who RCG is, and try to be realistic of it. Can I be successful at this company? Will I be happy here? And that's my advice to anyone.